Some people have been asking, what is innovation capacity really? What is it in more practical description? And basically that is how you make more usefulness from the findings you have and put it in a bigger perspective. For example, if you're developing a technology, you will have input values from the materials to a device, to a system, and so on. So that is basically a value chain. And when you're creating a value chain, you usually describe this from the technological point of view and sometimes from the financial point of view and economics. But these technologies and value chains, they should fit in a larger scope, usually like the region where you're located or the country where you're located or internationally. Because value chains, they consist of several actors working together, and you can describe the technological motivations and the financial motivations when there are markets, but also this is in a regional context. And like in Europe, that happens by the smart specialization which the European Commission initiated a few years ago in 2012 or something like that. And there the region should do better from the economic point of view. This means that they will build and support value chains with different actors. So the regional development and smart specialization, they should align together with the technology. So if these two would align more, there would be more synergies and more capacity from the research and innovation. And in my case, I am active in the advanced materials and nanotechnology materials to build innovation capacity.